Okay. Which one are we taking apart first today?
one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we have a few unboxings. We're gonna take this one apart first.
Yeah. Let's go with the meat. Let me open it.
Wow. Okay, look at that. That's like a big monster truck. What is that?
It's like a box truck.
That's a monster truck?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, so that's one.
This is the monster truck tree. This is the monster truck. And there, Baba.
Okay, and then what's this? What's this one called?
Dump truck.
What's this one?
Dump truck.
That's a dump truck?
Yeah.
And it could also be known as a
Yeah.
tractor.
And look
Yeah,
at
a
this
tractor. What color is a tractor, Isaac?
Baba, see the monster truck?
What color?
Baba.
Yellow and black. What color is it?
A black and yellow.
Good job. Okay, so
Mommy.
yeah, correct.
Baba.
We're gonna open it up.
Yeah. Baba. This is monster truck.
Whoa.
Where is?
Okay.
Ta.
This one is stuck
Ta.
down here.
Me. Oh.
Okay,
yeah.
let's unwind it first.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Do you want this one, Isaac?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, what did I go open this one?
Which one are you gonna open, Noah?
I go open this one.
You don't want to play with this blue one?
No, I go.
Okay, hold on. Okay, bring this one over here.
Okay.
And what is that?
A monster truck.
And
And a tail.
and a trailer. Yeah, that's right. And
Car.
yeah, that's a Formula One race car.
Yeah, I
That's a race car
I
being
want to-
pulled by a monster truck.
I like that.
Which one do you like better? The black one or the yellow one?
This one.
The black one?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so here, help me rip it apart.
Okay.
All right, let's keep ripping it. Oh wow. Okay, keep going.
Oh, wow, this one.
Okay, here, you pull it out. Okay. Now, okay, so
This
looks.
one.
Oh, comes right off.
Oh, this monster truck.
Okay, so it's a little stuck. Let's get it out.
This race car.
That's the race car, correct. Should we move the boxes and race around the racetrack?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
I like that race car. It's a race car. Race car.
Okay, let's get everything out of the way.
And this car. And the car too. And make this car away. All these go away.
Perfect, so.
Hey, remember out.
Okay, are you gonna go around the racetrack like this? Okay, and look, there's a tractor here. Who's the fastest?
Me.
Okay, where's he gonna park? He's gonna park right by the cows on the farm.
What's this? Papa, can you move these?
You're the fastest one here.
Papa, can you move
Yeah,
these?
we'll move that out of the way.
And that car.
Okay, move that one out of the way.
See, this car, it goes fast. See, this car, watch this.
Okay, how fast can you get around?
Me.
Go, on your mark, get set, go. Oh my God. Keep going, keep going. Awesome. And then look, uh-oh, who's in the track now? It's a big monster truck. He's trying to get you.
I get around too.
Ow!
I
Can't get me. Ow! 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 Oh no, I better run. I better get out of here.
Stop right there.
Okay, stop.
You can go. I pizza store.
I can't go to the pizza store?
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh, the police?
Yeah. Now you can.
I'm running away now. Can't get me.
Stop right there.
Oh, look, no, Isaac's got the tractor. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, help, 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 help. Help, help. Oh, he's gone on the outside. Oh no.
I got you.
Oh no. The tractor's lost its hood.
My car.
The tractor lost its hood. Let's put it back on. Can't get me.
Stop right there.
Where? Ow. All right. Be careful. Don't hurt him too much. He's just racing. Can't get me. Can't get me.
Stop right there. Stop right there.
Stop. Go.
Stop right there. You can go. A police officer here.
Police officers are where?
Right there.
Where?
Right here.
Uh-oh.
Stop. Stop right there.
Can't get me.
I got you. I got you. Let's car versus you. Let's car.
All right, fast. Let's see who can go around the track the fastest.
You can catch me. You can catch me.
There's a tractor.
I can go fast. I can go either fast. And the race car go fast. And okay.
And then the big monster truck. Let's line them up because they gotta all go to bed now. They all gotta go to bed now. Where's the monster truck?
Lay down. Lay down.
And who's the drivers?
You can go
There's the first driver,
No, this is the good side.
second driver,
This one can go in.
third driver,
Me.
and the fourth driver.
This one? Yeah.
All of them. They're all gonna get their own vehicles. Who gets to drive the blue monster truck?
Me.
Who?
Me.
Which
Me first.
which race driver?
Me here.
Which one?
Right here.
Out of these four, who gets to drive the race car?
Me. Other one. This one.
The cowboy?
Yeah.
Boom. Okay, and who gets to drive the big one?
Herdu. Hey.
The cowgirl.
Too big.
Perfect.
Her hat too big.
And then where does the girl go?
Right there.
In the tractor?
No.
Perfect.
You have to open it. See? You have to open it.
And then the yellow monster truck, the boy goes in it, right?
Baba. No. Baba.
Perfect.
Baba.
Okay.
I can't open this. Oh, there's a tackle. Open this. Tackle. Open this.
Perfect. She's gonna drive that one.
We can't open it.
And then he's gonna drive the race car.
Hey. Maybe this race car. Yeah, Baba.
Perfect.
Baba.
Yeah. And then the bumper goes back on.
Hey, Baba.
Perfect.
It's a bicycle. It's a tourist. We can fast zone. A hungo. Yeah.
Okay. On the next video, we're all gonna be racing, right? And who's gonna win?
Me. A race car.
The race car. Okay. You got your money on the race car? Who's
Bye,
winning?
bye.
Who's winning, Isaac?
I go show you shoot. I'm winning. I go win the race. Bye bye, guys. Bye.
Say see you later next time.
See you later, guys.